I'm not sure. I know you can set it up across all platforms to show on your screen. Yeah, I'll be right back, Sean, again. Look up just look up a YouTube video on how to do it. How to set up cross-platform chat using Restream.io.
I'll leave
I'll
that
be
to
right back.
you.
I go to your side menu. Add the channels,
Hang on it.
and then click on the bottom right, or the bottom left, the S, and then you click on chat, the chat app.
Chat app.
Yeah, and then you can open it in your browser, or embed it into your stream. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, Sean.
Hey, Nick,
Why don't
it's
you go smoke
working.
one?
It's working, Nick.
You should have Facebook. You set up Facebook too?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me check it out. That's pretty cool, dude.
Yeah.
Yo, you turn captions off. You got captions on Facebook setup.
How do you turn that off?
Just on Facebook. You can go comments and reactions. Not sure how you turn captions off though. Is it full screen? I'm not seeing any drop frames, Sean.
Yeah.
You're not getting any?
How do you turn that off?
I'm not seeing any drop frames, Sean.
Yeah.
You're not getting any?
How do you turn that off?
It looks really good on YouTube, dude. It's amazing how good it looks on YouTube. Facebook too, I see. Facebook too, I see. No, it's 1 second. I gotta turn off the sound. I don't want to hear myself. You're streaming on Facebook already, dude. You stream to Sean's gaming community.
Yeah.
It's nice, dude.
Can you type something out, please, Nick? Test the chat in one of them.
I think you have to be live though. 1 second. Here, let me try. Where can you leave comments at? Because comments are turned off. Comments are turned off. Probably have to enable chat for YouTube, for the YouTube stream.
I don't know how to enable that through Restream.
You need to do it on YouTube, I think.
Oh.
Oh, I'm looking it up right now. Go to YouTube Studio. At the top right, click Create, go live. From the
I'm
left,
already
click
live, Nick.
Stream, click us.
It says that
From
I'm
the
live.
top right, from the top right, click Edit.
I'm already
Under
live,
Live
Nick.
Track, select. Well, top right, click Edit. Under Live Track, select Enable.
Where do I go, Nick?
I just exit out of it. 1 second. Okay, at the top,
Hang
create
on,
a
Nick.
stream
Hang
from the
on.
top
Hang
right.
on, Nick.
See, it's showing. It's showing in the Restream chat. You should see that.
Okay, where we going? Your channel or your YouTube studio?
YouTube Studio.
Yep.
Create, go live. From the left, click Stream. All right, you're already streaming.
I'm already
From the
live,
top
Nick.
right, click. I know. Yeah. From the top right, click Edit, and under Live Chat, select Enable and click Save. There it goes. You have to embed it in your stream, I think, Sean. Go to chat. Go to the bottom left, click the S and Restream, and then go to chat app, and then embed that into your stream, the link that they show you.
No, I'm trying to edit the stream still. Well, let me edit it.
Edit what? You have messages now, or you have chat on YouTube now.
I have?
Yeah, there's chat on stream now.
Yeah, I see the test. Facebook test. Nicholas Woodard test. I see the chat window. It works. Trovo,
Yeah,
Facebook, and YouTube.
go back to your main screen, or click on the R at the top left on your
Yeah.
on your thing, or and then click on the S in the bottom left,
Yeah.
and then click the chat app, and then click chat app,
Yeah, I have
and
it.
then and then embed that stream, or embed the website link into your stream. I don't know if you've done that yet, but because it's not showing the other ones, it's not showing different chats. It should show on all of your chats. Should show on your main screen all the different chats like YouTube and Facebook and Trovo, and not just Trovo. God bless you.
Is that it,
Now I'll
chat?
test it.
Is that it, Nick?
There it goes. Yep. Well, let's see. It's working now. Hold on. Let me test it out. Cool. Nice. I don't know. You sort of. I don't know if you can make it larger or like hit like transparent so you can enlarge it so people can see the like the whole chat um from like the different platforms. It's really hard to see.
Nah, you can't do anything.
Oh, that sucks.
How about that?
Here, I'm sure I'm gonna send you a link to how to customize it. It'll walk you through how to make it transparent so you can make it larger. 6 minute video. There you go. You don't need OBS either. It's just saying OBS. Do you use OBS Studio,
Yeah.
John?
Hang on, I need to go to the toilet. I'll be back.
Uh,
Okay, I'm back.
So this is the chat that includes all the different streaming platforms you're using to your live stream setup on OBS Studio. So this will allow you to display your Restream chat on your live stream as an overlay. Now, real quick, you can do this with the free version of Restream, but there will be a 15-second delay on the messages. So if you want to have them updated more, you need to get a paid version. And this video is actually sponsored by Restream, and I just want to thank them for sponsoring this video. And if you decide to upgrade to one of their paid versions, use the link in the description. You'll get $10 off your first month. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to add Restream chat as an overlay in your OBS Studio. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply go to Restream and make sure we're logged into our account. In the left sidebar, select the three dots to open up the More section. And then in here, we'll select Chat. In this tutorial, we will be downloading the Restream chat software to our computer, but it is not a requirement. And really all we'll be doing with the software is customizing the way the chat looks on our stream. So the first thing we're going to do is simply add it to our stream, and then we can customize it with the software. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is simply copy this text right here where it says embed in stream. So select this little copy button. Then go to OBS. Now in OBS, to add Restream chat as an overlay, we need to go to the sources section, then select the little plus symbol to add a new source. And then in here, select browser. It might be browser source, something like that. So go ahead and select that. Create a new one. And then in the URL right here, we're going to replace that with the URL we just copied from Restream. Now, I recommend changing the width and height here. Go with a little bit of a more narrow width, around, I'd say 600, and then your height can go up to like 700, something like that. You can customize this later if you want. After that, select OK. So now we have this big blue box displaying the chat on our stream. Now, if you want to get rid of that blue background and have a transparent background so it looks a little bit more sleek, there are actually two different ways to do that. And one of the ways actually involves downloading the Restream software. So if you don't want to do that, I'll quickly go through how to make this transparent without the Restream software. So what we need to do is right-click the browser source that we added down in the sources selection right here and go to filters. Under effects filters right here, select the plus symbol. And then go to chroma key, select chroma key. You can give it a name if you want. Now what we need to do is give it a key color type. So we're going to give it this blue color. So select green.
You see that message I sent you, Sean?
And now go under key color, go to select color. Now I've already determined what color that is. And it is right here. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it in. I'll have this color in the description so that you can easily copy that as well. And I'll also display it in the video so that you can see it a little better. Once you add that color code into the HTML right here, select OK. And then what we need to do is under similarity, bring that down to 1. And then what I like to do as well is bring the smoothness down. That just allows that chat to come through a little bit better. And now you're done. You can select close. So as you can see, now we have a transparent box that contains our chat. So we can move this wherever we want to. The only downside to using this method to get the transparent background is if Restream were to change that background color, you'd have to go through the steps again. All right, so now that we have our Restream chat set up as an overlay, let's go ahead and go back to Restream and download the software from them. So we're going to use the left sidebar to again go to chat and then just select download for Windows. Then go through the installation process on your computer. Once we have the Restream chat software open, what we need to do now is go down to settings in the bottom right corner
Nick, try
and then go
typing
to
a
embed in
message.
stream. This will open up the settings for the chat app. And in here, we can change different things about the way the chat will look when it's on our stream. So as you can see over here in OBS, I've gone ahead and removed that filter that made it transparent. It's much easier to make it transparent in the actual app. So in here, under the embed in stream settings, just go to chat background right here and go ahead and turn that down to 0. Now to see that new change reflected on OBS, all I need to do is right-click the browser source, go to Properties, and then scroll down in the settings here and go to Refresh Cache of Current Page. When it reloads, it'll have the transparent background, as you can see.
Try
Now
enabling
you can
full
go through
screen
and
mode
change
on
any
your
of these
game.
settings
See
that
what
you
that
want
looks
to
like.
in the Restream chat app, such as the theme,
Try
which I think is a really cool
opening
feature they
up
have.
your
So you can
your
change the way
game
it
to full
looks
screen mode and
right
see what
here,
the chat looks
and
right
this will
there.
update
See what the chat looks
instantaneously.
like
You'll need to go through the same steps in OBS by
instead
clearing
of
the
just in
cache
here.
to get it to
No.
reflect that change by going and right-clicking browser, going to Properties, and then clearing that cache to actually see the change there. You also have the ability to turn down the transparency on the actual messages if for some reason you wanted to do that. And you can change the alignment so that they come up from the bottom or the top, whatever meets your needs, really. You also have the ability to hide messages after a certain
Yeah, you
period of
have to add to
time.
that
So by
screen or
default, it'll be
that
30
scene as well,
seconds, but you can
Sean.
go all the
The
way up
chat.
to
Yeah, it's
180
done.
seconds if
Do
you
the
want
same
to.
thing.
By default, if you do not do that, the
There it goes.
messages will
Yeah,
not be
there it
hidden.
goes.
They will just always stay on your stream. So it's really up to your preferences there. Now, once you're done editing these settings, if you don't want to have the chat app installed on your computer anymore, you can uninstall it and it will not affect the settings that you've changed. Now, if I go to my Twitch channel and just send a couple messages, you can see them show up right here in
And
OBS, and
probably
they would
move
be
it a little
displayed
bit
on any
farther
future
south.
streams that I have.
Farther south
All right,
from
so that's how you
the
overlay Restream chat
or
onto your
far
stream
or
using
lower
OBS
on the
Studio.
screen.
If you have any questions
Lower?
about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I
Yeah,
can.
lower.
If you'd like to see more Restream or OBS Studio tutorial videos, check the links in the description.
Like a
If this
couple
video
lines
helped you, give it
lower.
a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging
There it
Gadgets,
goes.
for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials.
Let
Thank
me
you so
add
much
it.
for watching. Of time. So by default, it'll be 30 seconds, but you can go all
Stream looks really good, dude.
No, it hasn't dropped a frame.
I was saying, dude, I haven't seen it drop yet, man. Stream looks mint, dude. Of course, I'm on a 1080p monitor now, so. I'm guessing they fixed the issue.
Don't know yet. Can't say for certain.
Is there a way to make the space between chat text smaller? Like reduce the
Text is too big.
not just the spacing between text so you can see more lines of text. So you
How
can
about
see
now?
more chat text.
How about now?
1 second. That's a little better, yeah. Well, I'm not sure if that's slightly different, but I think maybe. Is there a way to make it a little bit less transparent as well, Sean? Like
Yeah.
slightly bold, but it's still a little bit transparent.
How's that?
I'm waiting for the. 1 second. I didn't really change anything for me. Might have to restart the embed. I don't know what's going on, but here, let me try to test again. It's still almost too transparent.
Yeah.
Harder to see. Yeah, if you just make like it's slightly opaque, I guess is the word I want to use. Just still a little bit transparent, but like with a small background or with a background or whatever.
Is that all right now? Hasn't done anything, has it?
1 second. I just sent a test. There's a slight back. I can. No, I can't see it. I can't see it still. Just
What's going on? There we go, Nick. Try it again.
yeah, it's better.
Is that too small now?
Let me see. It hasn't come up yet on my end. There you go. Why exactly is it all in caps though? Is there a reason? Well, yeah, try to up the Try to up the size of the text as well, if you can. I don't know why Boost is still unavailable.
Is that better, Nick?
1 second. I really don't like that font or that font display.
Okay.
And change the to like something different instead of all caps.
You can't. I won't do anything else apart from caps. Oh, here we go. Okay, it's gonna refresh in a second. Check it out now.
Okay.
That's better. There you go, Nick. I fixed it.
That's much better.
Yeah, I can read that.
That's much better, dude. It's perfect. All right, now what you want to do is put like all the different links to your. You want to put the links to your Facebook, Trovo, and YouTube in the top left. Probably, I'm guessing, or in the description of everything. I would personally like put it in the top left corner or something like that, dude. So everyone can like click on the links or
What's that?
you need to put the links in the top left of your screen
What
to
links?
all your different to your Trovo and YouTube and Facebook
Where?
in the top left. Just add them as a little as like some text or something like that. Just like add the page names or something for each. I don't know why the boost is unavailable for your live stream. It's really annoying.
Hey, I gotta change my keyframe.